Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll show you how you make your pictures way better with just one click, downloading free Luts. So let's get started. Websites for Luts. You can use any website. I'll put you the link in the description for this website. When you're using this website and you want your Luts for free, press on test free Luts before buying. Then press on download 10 free Luts, and it's downloaded. Now you're gonna open DaVinci Resolve. I'm gonna import a video clip. Okay, now we're gonna go on project settings. That's a button on the right bottom. Click on that. So you start, I think, here, and then you go on color management. Scroll down, but you probably start here and then you scroll down, and then you're gonna press open Lut folder. Now you're gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna call it free cool Luts. Go in the folder. Now search for your download, and it's right here. Pull it over, unzip it. We only need that one. Press on update lists. Now your computer is searching for new updates in your Luts list. Okay, finished. Now you can press cancel or save, and then go on color grading. So now on the left you can see all your Luts. That's the one we made. Then you have two options. I'm just going to press the left one. And then to apply, when you found a Lut, you can apply it with double clicking on the Lut. And then it automatically applies that Lut. And then you can go back on your edit page. And as you can see, the Lut was applied. Yeah, and that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time.